It's strawberry season, and my favorite way to put these sweet gems to use is in a strawberry daiquiri. When strawberries are in season, they're extra sweet. If they're not in season, you can make this recipe with frozen strawberries. The great thing about this recipe is it comes together in a blender and it's easy to double or triple, so you can make these for a crowd. I love a good big batch cocktail. Into the blender go our strawberries. To wake them up and make them extra bright, we're adding in some citrus, some lemon, and fresh lime juice. When you make things like this homemade, they're way better than just the store-bought mixes or those frozen things you get in a can. It's really easy. Sweetening all this up with some sugar. And let's not forget the best part. Some rum. Of course, you know I've been drinking strawberry daiquiri since I was a kid. Virgin, of course. In goes the rum. If you want to make a good mocktail, just leave it out. A fun addition to this recipe is some lemon lime soda. This is going to kind of make it, you know, sort of effervescent. Pop a little in your mouth. Just a little bit, a little splash, all you need. And then, of course, ice, the most important ingredient in the frozen drink. Give her a taste. That's good. If this doesn't taste like sweet summertime, I don't know what does. Stop buying store-bought mixes and give this recipe a try. See you next time. It's officially happy hour. Of course, when I drank these as a kid, I just ordered the version.